Welcome back, everybody, to Vitaly the Bean Crypto Show. And if you are watching this video, you must feel the pain in the altcoins. Just as we started to get a little bit of momentum, Bitcoin crossing $100,000, we see Donald Trump once again on Friday on the weekend is rattling the market and moving the prices down with his comments on retaliation of the tariff. So what is going on? Altcoins are so wrecked. Are we going to see the altcoin season and when? This is what I want to discuss right now. So stick to the end. Let's go over what's happening in the market as well as some of the bullish and positive news as well, because we need to master all of the positivity that we can during these times of survival. The altcoins are literally in survival mode right now. It feels bearish sentiment all over the place. Like we are in the bear market, which we are in the bear market for altcoins for the past like 8 weeks. They're just going down and down. It has been crazy, but there is a light at the end of the tunnel. So let's see, guys. So we're seeing that Bitcoin is at $96,000. Actually, went to $100,000 and then moved to $96,000 on a bigger time frame. We're still in this consolidation phase between 92 and $106,000, and we are yet again we are testing this trend line over here as a support, right? So we went to $100,000 and quickly rejected from here because of this, because of Trump saying he will announce reciprocal tariffs on many countries next week, which spooked the markets once again, which caused the altcoins to lose all of the momentum that they have been gathering over the day. So we're seeing once again altcoins are being wrecked right now. Let's take a look at the Bunter bubbles. It's not as bad, I would say, that we used a couple of days ago. Some of the altcoins are actually in plus, but mostly are in minus. And they were in plus before, now they're in minus once again. From the technical perspective, we are still testing this support. So it's, this bullish candle that happened on Monday, 3rd of February, can still take us all the way to the next leg up for the bull market. But altcoins are feeling this pain. You need to survive this weekend. You need to, if you have the cash, load up on the dip. If you don't have the cash, we'll survive it. Don't sell it. Don't succumb to this sales pressure, because alt season is right around the corner. We have Kentucky State Representative introduced bill to invest up to 10% of state funds in Bitcoin and crypto. We have a lot of states, over 22 states all over the United States are introducing bills about investing in Bitcoin, which is, of course, a very bullish thing. And I want to keep an eye on this altcoin season, which is 100% coming. If you look and study the chart of others versus Bitcoin, we saw the same thing sentiment happen in February 2017 when alts were declared dead. There are no alt season coming, and there we had amazing 2 alt seasons. And then also in January 2021, we had the similar sentiment with alts are dead and no alt season. And we have beautiful breakouts in alt season 1 and 2. And right now is the same sentiment. Altcoins are dead. There is no alt season, and everybody is capitulating. Maximum pain, feeling maximum pain. This is right before a crazy alt season. So keep that in mind. We see Trump is offering lower tariffs on U.S. cars. European Union offered lower tariffs on U.S. cars to avoid the trade war with Trump that Trump is implying. So let's see how that will play out. We see the Bitcoin exchange net flow just hit an all-time low, which means that more Bitcoin than ever is leaving exchanges, and more Bitcoin leaving exchanges is a good bullish thing for Bitcoin, right? Because less sales pressure. So that is actually very, very bullish. And the Bitcoin wealth are accumulating. The money is transferring from the retail investors who are panicking, capitulating, real retail traders. The wealth has been transferred from the weak hands to the strong hands. Right, that is what's happening right now. BlackRock plans to launch a Bitcoin exchange traded product in Europe, which is great, allowing also Europe to participate fully in buying Bitcoin. We have Donald Trump going to launch a Bitcoin Plus ETF, whatever it means. But Trump Media Technology, which counts Trump as its majority owner, on Thursday said it has filed to register trademarks for new investment vehicles under its tech brand Truth.Finance. Each of the exchange-traded funds are separately managed accounts, and essentially they include Bitcoin. So that is, of course, very bullish thing. Why we're not seeing the pump in the altcoins? Well, Bitcoin is not really moving so much. It's 96,000. It's okay, but altcoins are devastating. But I have some great news to share with you. As Solana, published by Van Eek report, predicting that M2 money supply will grow to $22.3 trillion by 2025, which is an increase of 1.2 trillion, boosting the crypto markets, and Solana could hit $520, especially that we're seeing BlackRock expecting a Solana ETF in February, as soon as this month. Wow, this is crazy. Actually, we're seeing those Solana ETFs filings. Let's take a look at how Solana is doing. Solana is yeah, it's $189, pretty much at the support level right now, but doing better than Ethereum. Better than Ethereum, you know. Even the positive comments of the son of the president to buy Ethereum is not helping, and Ethereum continues to go down, although not that much. A little bit grinding to the downside. It can change any moment, can go up to the upside, but we are getting down because Ethereum is at below $96,000 at the moment, right? So all eyes are on Donald Trump. What is his next move? Why he's messing with us on Friday, on the weekends? Why this keeps happening? Ethereum actually have a great news as the network drop the fees, the gas fees to 6 cents. Actually, there was very high gas fees for the longest time. Now it's 6 cents. It's very good for Ethereum. We see Ripple news. Ripple CEO now officially appointed as advisor to the White House Crypto Council, which is paving the way to Ripple ETF, right? To Ripple RLUSD, the stable coin. So Ripple is doing quite well. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at the chart of XRP. It's trading at $2.38. So not so bad, you know, at the same level that it was almost at the peak of December 2nd, right? So it's doing quite well. Look at this rally from Donald Trump, 50 cents to $3. I mean, it's Ripple is one of the strongest coins out there, and also one strong one is Ohm. Is the Ohm is doing fantastically well. I mean, look at this. There is no capitulation. There is no going down. So Ohm is doing quite well. Let's take a look at coin market cap to understand which category Ohm falls in. Ohm right here, Mantra. So you can see it's a layer one security platform, but it's performing extremely well during this market condition. I would take a look at Ohm. Take a notice. I mean, this is insane. This is insane. If almost behaving like this during this market conditions, what's going to happen when Bitcoin, Ethereum is going to start turning around? So Ethereum pattern, right? Usually after dumps like this, like we see Ethereum down to $2,124, right? We're seeing some distribution. We're going to see some last dump, maybe to $2,600. That's what we're seeing, right? Maybe to 2,450. I don't know, but eventually we're gonna get back to 3,200, back to 3,300, and back, back up, right? Yeah, but it looks like this. It looks like this right now. We have some pain. We have $325 billion PNC Bank buying $67 million in Bitcoin ETF. Banks are coming, right? No reason to be bearish. No reason to be bearish. Altcoin season is coming. So that's what I want to remind you in this video. I know the pain is real. Altcoins capitulating. Look at Pepe, like crazy. 5 weeks in a row. to the downside, it is it is crushing me. It is crushing me because I have a big position on Pepe, but I don't like what I'm seeing here. I don't like how weak it is. But as soon as Ethereum is gonna is gonna basically start moving to the upside, Pepe is gonna catch up. Pepe is gonna catch up. I like Pepe, the meme coin, but right now everything is down 80-90%. So kind of sad, but that's the weekend over here. Stay strong, guys. Stay strong because altcoin season is coming, but we need to survive this pain. We need to survive this pain right now, and the pain is near to its end. That's what I'm seeing. There is no reason to panic yet. Bitcoin is 95,800. I mean, it's okay, but yeah, it's quite painful what's going on right now. Yet again, rejection the $100,000. It is definitely painful to see. Altcoins are bleeding, but you can treat it also as an opportunity to load and buy more at this point. So that's what I want to share with you. I'm in London right now. I'm going through a seminar. I'm gonna try my best to give you an update about the state of the market and what's going on. And I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay strong.